day. Ụmụnne m ọkpọtụwakwa ewe o hell unu afụgo ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya, unu afụgo ihe enyi na-eme enyi ya, unu afụgo ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya o. Anya mmiri na-agụsisi m o, akwa mmiri ka na-ebe o. Ụmụnne m, unu afụrụ ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya, unu afụrụ ihe na-eme gị na mmadụ na-eme kọmedi, iwe na-etinye ya na-agbachata ego na Facebook. You dey make money for another person brain thinking other people, you can't enslave them. Hey, awo unafugo kwenu ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya o. Hey, day onye ọbụla na-eme ihe ọjọọ n'obodo wee na-asị na ọ gara adịrị anyị na mma, onye a ga-ata afụfụ. Hey, ọ bụ na ị mara na ị na-ezu ori, if you were taking somebody something, na one day that person go catch you. Hey, that person must catch you one day. You dey use person brain, use intestine, use in heart, say you can't use in kidney. Hey, why this thing good? My people, may una come o, may una check whether this thing is it good. This thing wey angel did, is it good? This thing good? I want you to write it on the comment section. If it's good, write am. Ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya o. Orejie ajụ ihe na-eme n'obodo bidoro taa. Bad thing wey dey happen for this our Naija, some of them na we dey use our hand dey do am. So we say na person dey form am, na we dey use our hand form am. You collect in brain, collect in wisdom, collect everything, use am dey do. Say tell you come dey give am 20,000. You buy motor, he ask you, say how far this motor? You come say na person na dash am the motor, person na dash am motor. Oh, father, shey all these things God go judge am finish. Sin don too much, e don too much. May we have mercy upon ourselves. Have mercy upon yourself now. Have mercy now. Have mercy upon yourself. Make me have mercy upon myself. If we do good thing, is it a bad thing? Write am for comment section. This thing dey make me cry. See me see tears. I think. You dey enslave them inside house. You don't know say one day dem go know. And that one day na today. If you still dey watch me today, e get person wey you dey use in think say the person no go know tomorrow. Day go now and tell and show that person, say let the person know. Start to dey pay now because of tomorrow. Abalị niile bụ maka onye ori, otu ụbọchị bụ maka onye nwe ya. Nụrụ na olu m.